Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you how to turn on this laptop. To turn your laptop on, press the power button once and wait until your device is switched on. If your device doesn't switch on, that probably means that it's discharged and you should have to plug in the charging cable into your laptop. The charging port is located on the left edge of your device. You can use both barrel type or USB Type-C charging cables. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.